How to use Google Translate in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to use Google Translate directly in WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, install Google Translate from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open Google Translate, go to Settings, tap to Translate, and toggle it on. In WhatsApp, long press a message, tap the copy icon, then tap the Google Translate icon that appears. You'll see the translated text instantly. Type your message, copy it, tap the Google Translate icon, translate it, copy the translated text, and paste it back into WhatsApp. Alternatively, use translate.google.com. Copy the text from WhatsApp, paste it into the translation box, copy the translated text, and paste it back into WhatsApp. That's it. Now you know how to use Google Translate in WhatsApp. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Have a great day.